Well, we are now leaving our campground here in Michigan.
Take the next left onto Waffle Point.
It's been nice, Waffle Farms. We will be back one day probably.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Union City Road.
Next trip, Mammoth Cave. Yay. Alright, we're on Interstate 69, heading south. Goodbye, Michigan.
No, Indiana.
Next state, Indiana. Alright, we just made it to Indiana.
That quick.
Yeah, we're pretty close to the line right there. So, yeah, we just keep it on. We're at the Indiana Welcome Center. Yeah, it looks different, doesn't it? Not having my Jeep in front. Got your phone. This is a really neat welcome center. Yeah, we're just leaving the rest area here in Indiana. Not too far from Indianapolis. Take a little break. And away we go. Uranus Fudge Factory and Candy Store. We might have to check that out.
Make a U-turn.
We
Make a U-turn.
we pull in. We're going to this fudge place, and
Make
my
a U-turn.
GPS is going
Continue
crazy.
on Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Make a
Boulevard
U-turn.
for 3/4 of a mile.
It's turning circles.
Make a U-turn.
Make a U-turn. Make a U-turn. No.
Continue on Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard.
Uranus.
How do you feel like being? How does it feel to be in Uranus? It's Uranus, but us in Alabama call it Uranus. There's additional parking in Uranus. You say so.
Welcome to Uranus!
One thing out of Uranus is back here through the rear.
I think they have a fixation here. Well, we just spent $83 in Uranus. That was an expensive trip to Uranus. Hey, yeah, we got t-shirts and we got some fudge and some stickers from Uranus.
That's obviously the Nestle plant.
We're just outside of Indianapolis on this bypass. So as soon as we get off this, we'll be on 65 heading south. Just a few more miles.
Welcome to Kentucky.
We're in Kentucky, back in Kentucky.
Woohoo! Cool little town.
There's Louisville. This interstate takes you right through the middle of Louisville.
But it's Sunday, so hopefully the traffic won't be
Yes,
bad.
yes. Sunday is a good time to come through here. This interstate is bumpy. Finally on some smooth interstate. Finally getting back in the foothills. I'm happy to see that. I'm just tired of looking at farmland. We're in Cave City, Kentucky. Finally off the interstate. We've got about 24 miles to go. Oh, it's a narrow road right here.
Awful close to that damn.
You know, it makes it look even more narrow without the center lines.
Well, that's where we're going, is Narrows.
Well, that's probably why they call
In
it.
a quarter mile, turn right onto State Highway 1318, Narrows Road.
That's why they call it the Narrows, because it's a narrow road. Well, we are here, the Narrows, yeah. It's a Corps of Engineers campground right here. And if you look way out there, that's where our water hookup was. We didn't have enough hose. Second time that's happened to us. Bought that little grill for like 14 bucks at Walmart, and it has saved our butt, okay? And we some chicken wings, and we got some potato salad that we bought the other day, and we're gonna sit down and enjoy it.